Within Eclipse, we can very easily generate an Ant build file that will automatically have JUnit support just by taking an existing project and exporting it to an Ant build file. If we right-click on our project and we do export, then you can see that there's an Ant build files. If I click that, click next, I'll choose to grab our protein tracker as well. This way we can have everything compiled. And then if I just click finish, you can see that it's generated two build.xml files for both of our projects. And if we look at this build.xml file, you can see that it's set up quite a bit for us, including the class paths for where the JUnit jar is and the Hamcrest jar. We have our own class paths set up. And in my file here, it set up some Maven dependencies, which you can ignore for now. It just has these because I already had Maven installed at one point with this project. But you can see all of this that it's set up, and it's already created targets for us. So we have an init target, a clean target, and then we have a target that will build everything. And then we have different targets for each one of our tasks. So you can see here, let's take a look at this com.simpleprogrammer.proteintracker test. That's the name of this target. And you can see that it makes a directory under our JUnit output directory. Then it does this JUnit fork equals yes, so that it will run our tests simultaneously. And then it sets a formatter type for the output that's going to be generated. And it has all of our tests inside here, and then our class path. And you can see that it's actually created some of these targets for the various different tests for us automatically. And you could basically take any one of these and convert it to your own Ant build file. You could copy this out and then use that in order to get JUnit tests running in your Ant build. So I like to do this as a very simple way to get started. You don't have to remember all the syntax and how to get JUnit set up in Ant if you can just generate the build.xml file and then copy things over. Now, of course, you might want to tweak it later on and make things more custom to what type of run that you want to do, but this is a really good starting point. And you can see also that it gives us this JUnit report target that we can use to generate a report, which we'll take a look at in a little bit.